so fun. I am about to meet a client at the supermarket to take them food shopping. We've just created a fun little meal plan. It's a rugby player, so we're going to be getting a lot of food, and then tomorrow we're going to be doing 7 days of meal prepping. So it's going to be lots of fun. This person's very invested in their performance, which includes obviously nutrition. So it's going to be heaps of fun. So stay tuned for how quick we get it done.
Posez vos articles sur le tapis de cette caisse. Merci.
All right, and we're done. So that was literally like 15 minutes in the supermarket, and we got everything that we needed for him for the week, and everything came to $100, which is a massive saving for someone like that tends to eat out a lot. A lot of people who say they go out with their friends and they just end up eating out when they go out for a drink, and then it all adds up so much. And imagine the amount that you could save just by doing something like this once a week. Have your shopping list, get it all done, cook all your meals for the whole week, chuck some in the freezer, keep some in the fridge, and you're set for the whole week. You're saving time, you're saving energy, you're saving money, and it gives you the freedom to be able to do so many more things. So I'm really excited, and tomorrow morning I will be doing meal prepping with him, which will take a couple of hours to do. So you can do this too. Anyone can do this. It's really simple. All you got to do is just decide that it's something you want to do, and then ask me for help if you need help. This is the sort of thing I do live-in intensives with people, whereas this is just like a half-day intensive split up. And yeah, I'm so excited. There's TJ there making all his meals. Yes. Preparation, baby. Preparation is complete. How are you feeling?
Good. Can't wait.
Yes. Alright, I'm back home now. All of the prep's done for TJ. That was 7 days worth of meals for him. And the coolest thing is, if you think about how many hours a day would you really spend in the kitchen cooking, contemplating, procrastinating what to cook, how much money would you waste on buying things and then maybe not using them and them going to waste, or buying all this stuff and then either having way too much and not knowing what to do with it. All of that can be saved through planning, through meal prepping. And the coolest part is it just gives you so much more freedom and time to do the things that you really want to be doing. So if you can spend 2 hours a week, that's it, 2 hours, maybe not even, depending on what facilities you have in your kitchen, that gives you so much more time to do the things that you want to be doing, like maybe training, maybe reading, catching up with friends, all of those sorts of things, working on your business, being badass business mama, all of those sorts of things. It gives you all of that time to be able to do it all just through spending a couple of hours on meal prepping. Okay, it's so worth it. This is something that I just love doing with people, especially, athletes like TJ. It's not really common over here to see athletes doing this sort of thing, or sometimes a lot of them just don't have the knowledge, and that's completely fine. That's just how some of them are, and it's awesome to be able to help them and see them evolve and really enjoy the process, and also to see their bodies change and their mindsets change throughout the whole process as well. So I'm really excited to see how he goes over the next couple months, and I'll also keep you updated as well.